oh. I'm running down the round highway. Running down this proud highway. As long as I keep moving, I don't need a place to stay. Motorcycle mama, would you bring your big bike down? Motorcycle mama, would you bring your big bike down? Well, you know I get in trouble when you bring it round. Motorcycle mama, with your big bike down. Oh, 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 oh. I'm here to live, hope you can read my mail. Last night from the county jail, I see your box is open, the flag is up, my message is ready. If there's time enough, I read it on the thing. Motorcycle mama, would you lay your big spike down? Motorcycle mama, would you lay your big spike down?